Hello, I welcome you to my channel, and this is your boy Sidago, and this is Sidago Tech. Today I'm going to show you how you'll be able to start buying and selling from Alibaba, and I'm going to show you all the sign up process guide. This is actually a mini importation program which I've created for my platform and for my members who are on the verge of trying to look for any other source of means to be able to gather some money for themselves. So this is actually a mini importation tutorials, and we are going to start from the scratch, which will help all the beginners to be able to know what a mini importation business is, how to start, and where to start from. So you're welcome to this session of tutorials about how to start buying or selling from Alibaba. The sign up will be in a step-by-step guide. And I want to ask you, do you wish to make money online? Are you interested in shopping online for affordable goods? Then don't go anywhere. Watch this video to the end and know what to do as a beginner in the mini importation business. Yes, I said mini importation business. This is a culture business for you and I, which you'll be able to get something from it, be able to earn a lot of money from it. So stick and stay. I'll be back for more explanation. Okay guys, so before we start the whole tutorial, we just have to know the meaning of mini importation. Mini importation is an advanced form of a small scale business that allows you to buy or import goods from overseas directly from manufacturers at an affordable price. So this simply means you buy goods or import into any country of your choice for a cheaper price and you sell for a higher price. Isn't this so pleasing and exciting? So you buy goods at a cheaper price from manufacturers, and then you sell these goods to people or consumers at a very higher price, a bit higher price, and then you are able to earn your money from it. With this mini importation, you stand to get your capital, and then you get a lot of profit when you do it the right way. And the right way is how I am going to show you. So how do you start? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell to be the first to watch anytime I upload a video. And this will be a complete course guide. And this video will get you started by showing you how to set up your Alibaba account and to start shopping. I've made a lot on mini importation and I still do. And I want to show you this practical and realistic guide which will help you to also earn more. Just follow my lead and then we are good to go. So first, we need what we call the Alibaba application or software, which we use in sourcing out products and buying online. So you need to go all the way to your Play Store. On Play Store, search for Alibaba. Now you can see I have the app already, so it's a matter of just downloading the app on your phone. So after getting the app on your phone, just tap on it to launch, and then you will be greeted with this pop-up. You can either go for, alright, so you pick either Google or you pick continue with email. So I'll go for continue with email and I'll enter my email. Alright, so you select your country. So I'm from Ghana, so I'll select Ghana here. You enter your first name and you enter your last name. Then you pick a password. You have to pick a password which is strong enough. So when you are done, you click on next. So you are almost done on your way to start mini importation. So an email has been sent to this particular email. Just go to your inbox and then get the email, and then you have to enter the code. Alright, so we paste the code to click on create account. Alright guys, so I am now hand courtesy of how I was able to create it. So you go to my Alibaba, and then you will see my name here. You will see all the details that you need to see from this side. This is how you'll be able to create an account. On the next video, I will show you how you'll be able to use this particular Alibaba app for sure. Yes, so this is one of the apps I'll be using for the mini-importation business. More apps will follow, but don't forget to subscribe to get all the content as I upload them. If you like what I do, just like the video and share for me. I love you for doing that. More to come. See you in the next tutorial. I'm out.